Hi guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I post a new YouTube video every Friday and my videos are either about gymnastics, fitness or lifestyle. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So if you don't know already, I'm an ambassador for the company AirTrack Factory and they sell a big range of inflatable equipment for gymnastics and other sports. So the other day I randomly got this massive package through the post. I didn't know I was going to get it from them. I have absolutely no clue what's inside. I'm going to be opening it up and showing you guys what it can do, a few skills of it. I don't even know what it is, so we're just going to have to see. I'm not a very tall person, but literally it's like nearly up to my shoulder. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Okay, so it's really hard to fit the package in the screen, but I'm going to go ahead and try and open it up. Oh my gosh, it's yellow. I really like yellow. I think I know what this is. I've never had a yellow inflatable. That's very exciting. Whoa. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, it's massive. This is an air roll and it looks so big. Oh my gosh, it's really long. It also came with quite a fancy bag. And then inside the bag, yes! Oh my gosh. Here is the electronic pump and I'm really excited about this because I've always had foot pumps, so it takes quite a while to inflate things. We finally have an electric pump. That is really exciting. Oh, and it got a little note from them. That's so cute. I can't get it out. watching this unboxing video. If you have any more video ideas you'd like me to post on YouTube, then please DM me on either of my Instagrams. Also, if you are interested in buying anything from AirTrack Factory, you can get a 10% discount with my discount code, which I'll put on the screen now. Their products are honestly amazing quality and I've never had any problems with them. If you did like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you next Friday. Bye!